Okay, today I'm going to share with you the issues of GSC, Google Search Console issues. We were watching, there are around 5 lakhs, 500k pages are not indexed. They are affected 13 regions, and on the 11 case pages are indexed. It is a e-commerce website, and we're finding around 5 lakhs pages are not indexed. So for this not indexed region is we are finding the 13 regions. And what will happen, what could be happen if we don't solve this not indexed problem, and what if we not solve a 13 regions, what type of issues we will have to face in future. The first thing is massive crawl budget. Google bot only spend a certain amount of time on the site each day. The problem, because we have uh, over one lakh 61,000 pages blocked by robot.txt, and around the pages, and 7,438 pages is redirect. As a result, Google might never reach every new important content because it's too busy getting stuck in the pie for around the 5 lakh space blockades. And the second problem is the great problem is crawl correctly noting desks. Generally, it happens for low quality signal, because if we have some pages where not don't have much content, don't have much information for Google about the pages, and don't have the important images, then Google crawl it but not index for ranking. There are around the 20 pages marked as crawl correctly not indexed as a red flag for site health, and Google will visit these pages directly. They aren't good enough to show the users. Actually, Google bots have crawled these pages, but don't wanna give us the rank, because maybe in these pages have a low have not enough content, and images don't have enough information about these pages. As it is a commerce website, then it not don't get find enough information about the product. So the Google felt that it is not real. The Google bot mark as spammy and fishy. They think the page is fishy. So the bot has been crawled. The bot has been crawled the website, the pages, but not wanna give the rank. And the other problem is uh, uh, it is alternative page with proper canonical tag, index, bloat, or cannibalization. The problem, the high number of alternate pages with proper canonical tags, around 80k, suggest the site generates many versions of same pages. So while the canonical tags help, having the main duplicates make it much harder for Google to figure out which pages is authority, and often leading the lower ranking of primary keywords. And other thing is the 404 shows, if we go excluded, not it is for not found 404 failed around the 4k pages. There's a great issues. We need solve this kind of problem very quickly, and it happens when we use change our product as a commerce website. We change our product links and use another change the URL or slag, or you can say the permalink, change the permalink, that then that kind of issues make. And if we have too much not found 404, if Google is find these statements, then either two delays high bounce rate, lost revenue, 404s, or previously high traffic pages. Generally, it's happen if we had previously had a great page where the visitor, the traffic comes, or the clients or customer, how can you identify your website visitor, come to the page, but now it is not exist in our site, then our clients will come the same page and don't get any kind of information about our product, then they will leave our site. So if have the important of this page, then we should redirect this page or make a new page and redirect the page, and then the problem will solve. So today's I will share one thing. I will wanna brief the whole thing in one words. If we don't solve these 500 case shows, then it will lose our crawl budget, then will not get, it will affect our ranking, will not get rank, our visitor will not get enough information for us, and ultimately it will be a little hard, it will be harder to earn be benefit by this site. So we should solve this kind of issues, and every issue we should take every issues importantly to make solve. So have a good time, and uh, it's enough for today. Bye bye.